My name is Shannon Jones, and I am the Senior Director of Conservation at the Phillip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science. Today, we are at the 3rd Annual ReeFLorida Symposium, where we're hosting educators, scientists, conservationists, all studying and trying to protect Florida's coral reef. This event at ReeFLorida Symposium is so important because it connects so many different individuals and organizations so they can work together in order to protect Florida's coral reef.
My favorite part of the symposium is that it's cross-disciplinary. It brings in the management, it brings in the outreach and education, it brings in the art, and I think that's super awesome because saving Florida's coral reef is so much more than science.
The Frost Science Museum is literally meant to entertain, to inspire, and so who better to host a conference like this than them? And with the backdrop behind me, it kind of reminds us why we do this work. So they just do a phenomenal job. I think the fact that this conference is every year is why it's so important that we all reconvene, because Florida's coral reef is in trouble and we don't really have time to waste. So the fact that all the best and brightest in education, conservation, restoration are meeting annually is really critical, so that we're sharing information, updates, and collaborating so that we have a fighting chance.
I come back every year because it is such a wonderful time to come together with all of the other people working in coral to really learn about what's going on with coral in Florida. And it's just such a great opportunity to be in the same place with all of the people who have the same passion and heartbeat about Florida's coral reefs.
My favorite part of the symposium is just bringing everyone together from the Miami and Florida region to talk about Florida's coral reef, what we are doing in this local area, and also getting to see all of these different local scale projects that are happening to support Florida's coral reef.
Frost Science is an institution that prides ourselves on being able to educate and reach different audiences throughout South Florida and even the world. So ReeFLorida Symposium is just one key piece on how we do that, how we spread awareness about different science initiatives, including the protecting of Florida's coral reef.